I've sold thousands of digital products online. I've made over $40,000 in a single day. I've made over $175,000 in a single week. And I've made just under $250,000 in a single month. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can start making money with digital products as soon as this week. Now, stick with me on this one because I'm going to show you how you can find a problem to solve, how to solve it, and then how to get paid for solving it, and how to do that leveraging AI. Now, I've been chasing money my entire life. When I was 17, I left college. I'd already started my first shipping and forwarding business. And over the years, I've tried many things. I've had a mail order business, an office furniture business, a carpet and upholstery cleaning business. I've sold double glazing. I've had Chinese artists recreate old master oil paintings and sold those. I've burned DVDs on big DVD stack towers and sold those on eBay. I've tried Amazon, Etsy, you name it. Pretty much everything that you can do to make money, I've had a go. But nothing comes close to what I do now, which is basically selling digital products because they're free and easy to make. You can sell them as many times as you want. And it's a very, very quick way to create a new product. Literally, if you can think it, you can create it. And if you can create it, you can sell it. Now, by the way, if you're really interested in learning how to make money online and you'd like to create a consistent recurring income, then the first link below this video is for my school community. It's free, so you've got nothing to lose. You might as well give that a go. So once you've finished with this video, make sure you click the first link and you can go through to my school community where you get free access and you get full access to the entire phase 1 training that's going to teach you how to do the stuff that I'm covering in this video today, but in more detail. Okay, so step 1, we want to find a popular problem to solve, a problem that people are actively looking for the solution to. So go to ChatGPT and ask it, what are people looking for answers to? What problems are they looking for solutions to that I could provide that solution to and get paid for in the form of a digital ebook? As a couple of examples, some of the big problems in the world that people are always searching for: how to lose weight. But we can get a little bit more specific with that. How to lose 10 kilograms. And we can get even more specific with that. How to lose 10 kilograms in 30 days. You've now got a specific problem that people are looking to get solved. How to lose weight, how to lose a certain amount of weight, and how to do that in a certain amount of time. Now, once you've got the problem, you just need to find the solution. And to do that, we're going to go to AI again. This time, we're going to ask ChatGPT, Claude AI, and Gemini to write us a 5,000-word book that solves the problem that we're looking to solve. Once we've got those 5,000-word books times 3 from 3 different AIs, we're then going to take all of those and go back to Gemini and say to Gemini, here are 3 ebooks that solve this specific problem. I'd like you to take the information that's in all of those and give me the very best ebook that you possibly can that will actually solve the problem for these people. Once you've got the final output of that, then just take all the content and paste that into a Google Doc, free of charge. And then you can, if you want, just pretty it up a little bit. You can do what I call pimp it and just, make the headlines a bit bigger. You might want a table of contents in there, just bolding up a few things and maybe putting a few images in. But don't get too hung up on that because we're not looking for perfection. We're just looking to solve the problem and we're looking to get this out there so we can make you some money this week. Now, step 3 is preparing your new solution, your problem, your ebook for sale. And we're going to do that on a platform called Gumroad. The reason that we're going to choose Gumroad is it's designed for beginners and it's easy to get started with. But most importantly, they've got what's called merchant of record. That means that they handle all the payments. So you don't need your own Stripe account or your own PayPal account, and you don't have to worry about the payment processors or taxes or any of that stuff. So go and set up an account on Gumroad and then upload your digital product to get this ready for sale. Now, step 4, we've now got the problem, the solution. We've got the digital product on Gumroad ready to go, but we need eyes on it. You're not going to get a lot of traffic from Gumroad itself. So we need to think about the traffic solution that we're going to be using. Now, a good traffic solution for this kind of niche, for example, how to lose 10 kilograms in 30 days, would be Instagram. Now, I'm going to assume that you don't have an Instagram account already that's actually in the niche of the problem that you've chosen to solve. So you just need to set up a new Instagram account. It's free. So set up your new Instagram account. Maybe have a think about the name that you're going to use and the imagery that you're going to use on there to match in with your niche. And then all you want to do is for the first few days, just treat it like a normal account and start searching for stuff in your niche. So the problem that you're solving is what you want to be looking for, and then engage with it. Comment, like, watch videos, just act like a normal human would do on that account. And then once you've been doing that for a few days, maybe 3 days, you can start posting, but maybe just one a day. Now, at this point, you would have put your link in bio to your Gumroad solution. And the posts that you're going to be putting onto Instagram are going to solve some of the problem, but not all of the problem. So you just want to give them a taster, you want to give them some ideas, some tips, and you can do all of that with ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini to get ideas for those posts. If you want to create videos and you don't want your own face on camera, then you can use AI to generate an avatar for you that can be the personality of that Instagram account. And then once you've got to the stage where you can post once a day, after a few days, start increasing that twice a day, up to 3-4 times a day. That's going to get you a decent amount of traffic, and you should be able to build out that Instagram account in that niche with a decent amount of people interacting with the content that you're putting on there, therefore getting eyes on your new problem-solving offer and putting money in your bank this week. Hey guys, this is just one of the things that we can do to make money online. I've made over $3 million doing this stuff. It's a great way to make your living. And if you'd like to know how I do what I do, and if you'd like to generate a recurring income, an income that you can rely on, something that's consistent, then all you need to do is click on the first link below this video to join my school program, Victorable. It's my new school community. We just launched just a few weeks ago, and I'm already getting results and wins for the members. It's a great place for me to be able to connect with my students and really help them to get results. So that could be you. You could be the next win in that group. It's free. You've got nothing to lose, and you'll get full access to the community and the entire phase 1 training completely free as well. So if that sounds good to you, first link below this video, go and sign up there, click on the join group button, and I'll let you in. Do that now, and I'll see you on the inside. All the best.